WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet. Wild by design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.
It's iconic the way Gopi and Saina sort of started hunting down the Chinese who were dominating the sport. It started slowly, obviously, with quarterfinals, semi-finals. Then they started sort of winning those super series. And after that, there was no looking back because it sparked off a badminton boom, as Gopi said, and a lot of more young kids started taking up the sport.
Absolutely. I think hats off and full credit to Gopi and his entire team. And really, Saina, in a way, was the one who broke the glass ceiling. But it was all Gopi's planning behind the scenes over many years. See, Olympic successes don't happen overnight, and it takes years and years of preparation. And even for Saina, it was no different. And in 2004, actually, when I played the Athens Olympics, I think Gopi, if I'm not mistaken, Aparna and Nikhil had qualified in singles
Yes.
For the Olympics, and I think Nikhil lost first round, Aparna lost second round, and no one was really surprised because that was our standard. That was more or less what was expected. And no one would have dreamt that that time maybe Saina was barely in the picture at that point of time. This is, I'm talking 2004. And no one would have dreamt that 8 years down the line, Saina would win the first medal. And 12 years down the line, Sindhu would win a silver, etc. So it took that many years. It took 8 years of effort really to get that medal.
When you look at it, they're very different individuals, Saina and Mary Kom, but both have very similar qualities, stubborn, determined, and also, Gopi, an insatiable hunger to succeed.
Yes, I think that word, that insatiable hunger for success, I think that is the key point. We wanted, or we needed somebody who would keep breaking the barrier and keep moving ahead and looking for new barriers to break. And that is what Saina was, because it was very good, I think, for an athlete to say quarterfinals at an Olympics, a Commonwealth medal, as a most successful women athlete in the history of Indian badminton, could have been done by 2010. But I think to have the hunger to go on and on, because I think what Viren mentioned, I think 2009 onwards, she's been in the top 10 for almost 10 years continuously. I think that's phenomenal success, and that comes with that hunger and thirst. And it is not in the matches, because that's something which many people might have, but I think the hunger and thirst in the training is what makes her what she is.
I remember the semi-finals. I was sitting there in that Wembley Arena, and Yuhan Wang completely, just completely destroyed her that day. And I was told later that it took a lot of effort from you and Parupalli Kashyap and the rest of the team. I think the physio Kiran was there as well, to even get her ready, because she was so distraught. She didn't want to play the bronze medal match the next day. Was that one of the toughest moments for you to motivate your champion to get back on the field? Because I remember even Mahesh Bhupati told me this, that in Athens, when they lost the semi-finals, they didn't want to play that bronze match because they went for gold.
Yeah, I think for us, she went into that match, I thought, with a chance to win in the semi-finals. But then she was so tense in her the match that she just wouldn't play to the strategy. She was only attacking, she was only putting the shuttle down. It was kind of too predictable. And then at the end of the day, when she lost, it was like quite terrible, because you kind of are saying, I've lost, I've missed an opportunity. And typically, we are not used to these scenarios, because whether you play, she in her entire career wouldn't have played after losing the next day morning, because that's the nature of how the sport is. Because if you lose, then you play the next tournament. But I think to lose and come back the next day, that night was terrible. In fact, that probably was very difficult. She would refuse to eat and she would refuse to talk. And then I had to really put my foot down to make her watch the entire match point by point. And then late into the night, she kind of cried. She kind of had dinner, slept, and in the morning, at least she was ready to play. So I think it was a tough time, but I think that's what she was, in the sense she's in her career, actually, when I look back, she's gone through these tough times which were low, but she comes back. And when she came back in the morning, she was kind of forgot about the previous match, and that was something which was very good.
I remember those scenes all too well. Saina standing on the podium, her opponent had to withdraw injured. But later I came to know, Gopi, is that you, with a deadpan expression which I mentioned a short while back, you went completely berserk. You were jumping up and down. You were not letting go of that Olympic medal, just looking at it and saying yes, yes, yes. While Saina was rather much more composed and wondering what the hell is going on. Why is everyone sort of making this huge fuss, and what's happened to Gopi, sir?
Well, I think Saina probably, she was too young, and for many people, I think it is. I think Viren will agree with me that for us who missed in our lifetime to actually win or hold or be part of an Olympic medal celebrations, I think it means very, very much. And for me to start coaching, to start an academy, the very idea, and I remember writing it down, that to win an Olympic medal was the goal of the academy. And I think to achieve that as a player or a coach, or to be part of that team in any which way, gives you immense happiness.
Saina was the player who broke the glass ceiling in badminton. She became the first Indian badminton player ever to win an Olympic medal. And that's an incredible achievement. And the one thing I've seen in the last decade, for people like Sushil, Vijender, Saina to win medals, it has given a huge sense of belief to the next generation. That if Sushil, Vijender and Saina could do it, then so can I.
WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet, Wild by Design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.